Yo, what's up guys? Another quick video. Just installed the ZL1 addons Wicker Bill. I would definitely consider buying the rivnet tool or thread setter from ZL1. It's a lot cheaper. I bought this one from this local hardware store over here, about $100 with all this crap in it. But I definitely need it. I tried to do the bolt and the washer trick thing without using the tool, and the rib nuts just kept spinning and spinning. So I just bit the bullet and got the tool. After I got the tool, thing went super smooth. Looks good. Looks nice. Trying to get a better shot of these rib nuts. I'll probably put some Loctite on there to kind of hold it down. But looks good. ZL1 addons Wicker Bill. Kind of dope.